Good day and welcome to another Micrographics vlog. We are an Autodesk partner and reseller. My name is Sean Bauer and I will be presenting this vlog today, 11 April 2025. I am an applications engineer and an Autodesk AECO technical consultant with Micrographics, and today's topic is AutoCAD 2026, working with polylines and splines. If you find this vlog to be informative, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future vlogs. On the agenda for today, there'll be a short introduction to polylines and splines, then understanding and editing polylines, what is a spline, a demonstration, and a conclusion. So on introduction, in the world of AutoCAD, not all design elements are straightforward lines or perfect circles. When your drawing needs to follow real-world complexities such as a curving road, organic products and shapes, or artistic flourishes, standard line tools may fall short. This is where polylines and splines truly shine. Polylines and splines are essential tools for creating flexible, flowing, and complex designs with precision and ease. These tools will boost your drawing efficiency, accuracy, and editing capabilities. Polylines and splines. When working on technical drawings or creative designs, you'll often encounter geometry that isn't represented by simple straight lines. Site boundaries that followed curved roads, product designs with smooth ergonomic curves, mechanical parts with precision arc sequences, artistic or conceptual drawings with flowing freeform shapes. To handle these cases, AutoCAD provides these two specialized tools: polylines, or the P-line command, a connected series of lines and arcs segments treated as a single object. Splines, smooth, mathematical, generated curves that pass through or near specified points. Both tools allow you to create complex shapes more efficiently, edit entire shapes without breaking them into individual line segments, apply special properties like width, curvature, or elevation, such as contours on a site. Understanding and editing polylines. A polyline is more than just a set of connected lines. It's a single object that can include both straight and curved segments. You can modify the entire shape with a few clicks. You can change the line width, the elevation, and line type. Easily adjust the geometry using grips or editing commands. Editing polylines with the p-edit command. The p-edit command is your go-to tool for polyline editing. Join separate lines and arcs into one polyline or object. Convert the line segments to arcs or vice versa. Add or remove vertices and adjust width at specific points or throughout the polyline. What is a spline? A spline is a smooth, curved line generated using fit points or controlled vertices. It's perfect for product design, freeform architecture, or organic forms and artwork. While more flexible than polylines, splines also are slightly more complex in behavior and output. Here's an example of the spline where you can control the vertices or fit the shape. Next, here is a demonstration. If you want to create a shape like the one there in the middle, you can use your polyline command or type in with the dynamic input your p-line command. Then you can start with the Cartesian workspace. You can input your information for the exact starting point if you want to use the coordinates, or for this example, I'll just freely draw. Whilst drawing, you can change the line type to an arc or half width, and you can then continue drawing. It is still one continuous line. You have additional functions, and you can also go back to using the line command. This is now one object. By hovering your cursor over the midpoint, you can add additional vertices or stretch it or convert it to an arc, or vice versa, from a line to an arc or an arc back to a line. Depending on how exact you would like to be, you can input more additional information. So you have spline fit and spline CV. Control vertices. Specify your starting point for your spline. With the spline, you can input your points that you would like the spline to conform to, following a path. Once you're done with your spline, press Enter to stop the command. When you select a spline, you will see the grips become available. You can stretch them, add additional points, or remove points. Then you can control the vertices with the drop-down arrow that is displayed at the bottom of my spline. And with these vertices, you can control the free-form shape. You can also input coordinates to this shape, or angles and length, to be more specific. So in conclusion, polylines and splines are foundational tools that allow AutoCAD users to create, modify, and present complex geometry with control and clarity. Whether you are an architect outlining property lines, a designer crafting product shapes, or a drafter cleaning up a drawing, these tools are your go-to for precision and efficiency. Thank you for joining me today. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us here at Micrographics. Hope you found this vlog informative. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and don't forget to like and hit that notification bell for future vlogs. Thank you again, and goodbye.